the MedEd program is like a good start to see if you really want to commit to the healthcare field. I've gotten really close with everyone in MedEd because it's just a tight-knit group and it's really fun.
It gives so many opportunities to every single person that's in it. You get to take so many new steps that nobody knew that you could take before at this age or at this grade level.
You can get so many certifications, meet so many great people.
It introduces you to a whole new field. It actually lets you be hands-on with a lot of things. You're going into the hospital, you're getting a good one-on-one experience with actual doctors and nurses and patients, and it lets you open your eyes to a whole new world.
For me, the MedEd program is an opportunity to give you a step into the healthcare setting so you can see sterile processing or phlebotomy in the lab, or you could see ambulatory care. Phlebotomy is when you draw blood or take blood out of a patient. While I'm at clinic, I'm helping patients, I'm drawing their blood, I'm helping out with like the test tubes and the centrifuge, and I'm restocking around the clinic.
Sterile processing is kind of the behind the scenes of the hospital. It's kind of like the heart of the hospital. We decontaminate, we sterilize, we clean. Everything that basically goes on behind the scenes, that's what we do.
I wanted to join the ambulatory care because I get to room patients and check them in and take their vitals, and I get to hear a little bit about why they're visiting. I think it's just a good experience to have and to meet people.
What surprised me the most about the program is how much it has bring me out of my shell. I was very more so quiet, and this program very much just brought the best out in me. This has been a life-changing experience and has brought me a new friend group and a family.
For a person who's considering, I would say just do it. There's so much that benefits you from it. There's so much you can do outside of it too. So just trust it and you have nothing to lose. Because of the MedEd program, I was able to secure a job at the pain clinic, and it's an amazing opportunity to go through, and anyone can do it, honestly.
Do it, because if you're on the fence, you'll never know. You can change your mind, but I didn't know. I was on 50-50 going into it, and now this is what I want to do with my life. So I always go around and tell my friends, I'm like, do it. It's worth it.